Yo guys, so this is crazy. I just posted a video 3 minutes ago. I also just posted one right now. I'm here with Naruto Gaming, and he was the first view. And then literally it was just 3 minutes away, and this video already has 7 views. If we get this video to 100 views in under 5 hours, in under 1 hour, I will literally give a shout out. I will much appreciate it, and I will give a shout out to all of the viewers, which I may not know their names.
Well,
Actually, no. Let's go 50 because they can't be too much anyway.
also